Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to explain a small but important update in Odoo 19.1 inventory module. In Odoo 19.1, the order and the order to max option is now merged into a single option. Okay, so it's very easy and smarter tool for the reordering rule. So let's understand what changed and why this is so useful. Okay, so once you're moving on to the operation under the inventory dashboard, there we have the replenishment. Okay, so moving on to the replenishment dashboard, now in Odoo 19.1, you can only find once you select any of particular product to replenish. There you can only find one option, which means to order. So replenish the product up to the maximum quantity set if a quantity to order has been manually forced. So this quantity will be ordered instead. Okay, so this is the main update in Odoo 19.1. But if I want to compare that between the Odoo 19 and 19.1, I can simply show you that. So moving on to Odoo 19, let me show you. Moving on to the operation under the replenishment, it is actually works in the earlier version of Odoo. While using the reordering rule, you had two different behaviors, which means once you're selecting any of the particular product and moving on to the order option, there you can find two options, which means order and order to maximum. So you can order a fixed quantity or order up to a maximum quantity. That's actually it means. So this sometimes created confusion among the new users especially. Okay, so because you had to clear understand which option to choose and how quantities were calculated, you can now use Odoo 19.1 in an updated version. There you can only find one option, which is order. Okay, so moving on to you can simply click on the order and order to maximum inside Odoo 19, but you have an updation in Odoo 19.1, which is like order. So once you are able to see a particular product, you can click on order. Okay, you can simply click on order. Now the following replenishment has been done and the purchase order is created. And if you're providing any particular amount or quantity, not amount, a particular quantity to order section, you can simply see that particular quantity inside the purchase order as well. Okay, so now you can define the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity, and you can simply select that particular product and you can click on the order option as well. So now Odoo automatically calculate how much to order. Okay, so there is no separate order or order to maximum option anymore. So Odoo always orders just enough stock to reach the maximum level when the stock falls below the minimum as well. Okay, so now you can simply use this method. So it will actually help you to understand your confusion or to remove your confusion inside the inventory module under the replenishment order as well. Okay, so that's all about this video. This is so helpful for the person who are dealing with inventory and order replenishment, or if your stock is going low any of the time, you can simply understand and you don't have any tackles inside the inventory module as well. So I hope you all understood this video, and if you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll be back with another new updates in Odoo 19.1. Still that, stay tuned for another video. Bye bye.